If you're looking at the Crosley Cruiser or a Crosley Voyager suitcase-style record players, this is a quick sound comparison between them. The Voyager is obviously larger and has bigger speakers, and the Cruiser comes with a carrying handle. Otherwise, they're pretty much the same price, have the same tone arm and ceramic cartridges and controls. Let's hear the difference. If you like your music with that bass and mid-range and at very low volumes, then the Cruiser is for you. Everyone else will be much better off with the Voyager. You can fill a room up with a nice, decent sound.